How to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is go here directly to your WhatsApp application and it will lead you here to your chat section, right? Now there's actually two options. So for example, you're planning to enable disappearing messages for all your contacts. Then what you can do is on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there, right? You'll see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. So go here to the gear icon or the settings area. And what you want to do next is to tap on the privacy here. Now under privacy, I want you to scroll all the way down up until you see the disappearing messages. You will see default message timer and it's currently on off. Now if you tap on that, you will be given 4 options. It's either 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, and turn it off. So if you want to enable disappearing messages for 24 hours to all your contacts, then tap on that. Now, let's say you just want to enable disappearing messages for a specific contact. Then what you can do is to go here to your chat section and choose the contact that you want to enable the disappearing messages. And then tap on that contact's name and scroll down up until you see the disappearing messages here. Tap on disappearing messages. And again, you'll be given 4 options. It's either 1 day, 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, and turn off. So let's say 24 hours here. And basically, whenever you chat here, hi here, and as you can see, you turn on disappearing messages. New messages will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they sent, except they kept or tap to change. So tap on hi there. And basically, that's how you enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.